Hey people, now it's the age of these short films and the stories that can be told in like 15 minutes and 20 minutes at the most. So there's this short film called Maya, which is on it's on Woot. Yeah, yeah, and it is the any show that stars Kirti Kulhari, that's it. It's like whether or not other characters exist or not, it's like Kirti Kulhari is able to just steal the show. I mean, she's when she's on screen, that's you you really can't look at anyone else, so really people, so there's this short film called Maya, that stars, it's a Naveen Kasturia, Alka Amin, and the late Charu Rohtagi. But this has been directed by Vikas Chandra, the director, and it's produced by Navjot Gulati. So I mean, it's just a 15-minute long story about this mother daughter, really, and the mother having health issues to the extent that she needs to wear like adult diapers, and so it's very there's a lot of underlying sadness in the movie, but the whole portrayal is such that you all should watch it for Kirti Kulhari and Amin, Alka Amin is she's a very strong person herself. So she's been cast as this very submissive mother, which is is a very it's a departure from the usual kind of role she takes up. But really, people try and watch it. It's only 15 minutes long, and it's called Maya. So on that note, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.